Hey, this is Cam with GreenStem Provisioning, and today we're going to talk about RSO and do a quick start tutorial. Let's get started with a history about Rick Simpson. Rick Simpson was an engineer working in a Canadian hospital in 1997. An on-site accident resulted in frequent dizzy spells and ringing in his ears. After trying several medications, some of which worsened his symptoms, he turned to medical cannabis and created his own form of concentrated THC, now known as Rick Simpson Oil. Here's what you're going to need to get started. You'll need 1 gram of RSO, which usually comes in a syringe or dart like this. You'll need a glass of warm water that's half full. About 30 seconds in the microwave should work. You'll need a sheet of wax paper, and you'll also need a Ziploc bag. Today we're going to use the Canalicious 1:1 RSO. I'll go ahead and take that out of the box now. Once we have our RSO out, we'll place it in the Ziploc bag. You can also use a lighter to warm up your RSO if that's something that you're comfortable with. You'll go ahead and take the RSO and put that in the coffee mug for 60 seconds. Now that you've warmed up your RSO, you're ready to dose it onto the wax paper. Your dosing will vary depending on your personal wellness goals, but typically a new user will start with a half grain of rice-sized dose 3 times a day. The other way to do this, usually for more experienced users, would be to warm up the RSO and dose it directly onto your fingertip. If you have questions or concerns about RSO or any cannabis product, leave them below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.